Welcome to our channel. If your phone is damaged or defective, follow these step-by-step instructions to file insurance or warranty claims successfully. Step 1. Determine whether you need insurance or warranty service based on the problem. Warranty covers manufacturing defects, while insurance covers accidental damage, loss, or theft. Step 2. Locate your insurance or warranty documentation, including policy numbers and terms. Check your carrier account online or review paperwork from when you purchased the device. Step 3. Document the damage or issue with clear photos from multiple angles. Take pictures showing the problem, serial numbers, and overall device condition before filing claims. Step 4. Contact your insurance provider or carrier's warranty department. Have your policy number, phone, IMEI, account information, and description of the problem ready. Step 5. Describe the issue accurately and completely when filing your claim. Be honest about how damage occurred or when defects appeared to avoid claim denials. Step 6. Pay any required deductibles for insurance claims using approved payment methods. Insurance typically requires copays ranging from $29 to $300 depending on device value and damage type. Step 7. Back up your phone immediately if it's still functional. You may need to send in your damaged device and won't have another opportunity to save your data. Step 8. Follow all instructions for returning damaged devices if replacement is approved. Use provided shipping labels and return old devices within specified timeframes to avoid additional charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.